The love story of Raja and Roshi.
Introduction. In the village all the birds lived happily together. Among them were a beautiful hen, Roshi, and a brave rooster, Raja. First meeting. One day there was a fair in the village. Roshi and Raja met for the first time there. Raja saw Roshi and fell in love with her at first sight. Raja: "Hello, my name is Raja. You are the most beautiful hen I have ever seen." Roshi: "Thank you, Raja. My name is Roshi. Nice to meet you."
The beginning of love. Raja started talking to Roshi, and they soon became best friends. They often wandered around the village fields, ate together, and shared stories. Raja: "Roshi, do you like spending time here in the fields?" Roshi: "Yes, Raja. It feels so peaceful, especially with you."
Expression of love. One day, Raja decided to express his love. He made a beautiful flower garland for Roshi and confessed his feelings. Raja: "Roshi, I have something to tell you. I love you with all my heart." Roshi: "Oh, Raja, I love you too. I have been waiting to hear this from you." Facing difficulties, their love faced many obstacles. Some roosters were against their love and harassed Roshi. But Raja bravely defended her and protected her from all troubles. Villain rooster: "Roshi, you don't belong with Raja. Come with us instead." Raja: "Stay away from her. Roshi is with me, and I will protect her from anyone who tries to harm her."
Eventually, the rest of the village birds accepted their love, and everyone celebrated their wedding. Raja and Roshi embarked on their journey together, happily ever after. Let's celebrate the love of Raja and Roshi. They truly belong together. Thank you, everyone. We are grateful for your support. All the birds in the village gathered and organized a grand ceremony. Raja and Roshi started their new life together, promising to be by each other's side forever. By the power vested in me, I declare you husband and wife. May you live happily ever after.